and welcome to Outdoor Cooking. Today for my special guest, we have the boys. The boys. All right, so today we're making chicken and black bean nachos. So to start, we're gonna mix our ingredients of the beans, the chicken, the cheese, the corn, and the sauce into a bowl. I'm gonna start by mixing in the chicken. And now I'm gonna add some beans. And for my next ingredient, I'm gonna invite Colby out here.
Hi, sir.
Colby, here, why don't you add some cheese, bud?
All right.
That's good. Perfect.
Thanks, Sarah.
All right, bye, Colby. Now for my next guest, I'm gonna bring Dave in. Hey, Dave.
Hey.
How about you pour this corn in for me? There we go. Perfect. Thank you, Dave.
You're welcome.
And for the last ingredient, I'm gonna bring in Jake.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Jake. Okay, you're gonna pour that sauce in. Please don't pour the whole thing. Just whatever feels right. Perfect. I love it. Bye, Jake. And now we're gonna stir. I don't have anything to stir with, so I'm gonna use this stick. All right, let's go. I'm gonna add some more beans because Dave really outdid me on the corn. And sharing is caring, so I'm gonna invite all of the boys to come out here and stir together. Boys? That's teamwork if I've ever seen it. All right, so to make the nachos, I built this little boat out of foil. It's not very even, but I think it'll do the job that we're trying to do here. I'm gonna add some tortilla chips in. And then I'm gonna take the ingredients we put together earlier and put them on the nachos. All right, and then we're gonna take it over to the fire. All right, so I'm just gonna set the nachos over the fire until they're all done cooking. All right, I'm gonna add a piece of foil over top just to help everything melt together. All right, so I've put the nachos on the fire and we're just gonna hang out here until they're done cooking. But while we'll wait, we're gonna go over there and Colby's gonna lead us in a little song.
Went the little green frog one day. Went the little green frog. Went the little green frog one day, and his eyes went too. Honk honk went the big bad truck one day. Splish splash went the little green frog, and his eyes didn't go anymore because he got licked up by a dog. Arf arf.
All right, so I left the nachos on for about 5 minutes over the fire. Please be careful when taking it off. The foil gets very hot. I slid them into this bowl, and now I'm gonna serve the boys for a taste test. How do they taste?
Great.
There you have it, folks. Great nachos.